Hey, it's Catherine, and I'm going to show you today how you can turn your phone into a document camera. So all you need is your computer and your phone if you're using the Zoom application, and then you can create a document camera so you can share with your kids what you're working on real time. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is start your Zoom meeting. You can either do this with a meeting you've already scheduled, or you can go ahead and just host a meeting spur of the moment, which is what I'm going to do now. So we're going to open Zoom here. And then I'm also going to open my Zoom app, which I've already loaded onto my phone. I've loaded my Zoom app, I've logged in as me here and logged in as me on the computer. All right, and when it asks you on your screen, you want to join with computer audio for your computer so that the sound of your voice is coming through your computer. And then when I get into the app, I'm going to join a meeting. It's going to ask me for my meeting code. In this case, I'm going to use the meeting ID that's at the top of my screen, 440-760-444, and I'm going to join. It's also going to ask me about my audio here, and I'm going to hit cancel. I don't want audio coming through my phone, or we're going to get a really crazy feedback loop. So you hit cancel there, and now I can see on my screen that I've joined on my phone and on my computer. It's a little trippy to see yourself in the two places here. But anyway, then on your phone, you're going to tap the screen, and there's going to be an option that will pop up that says share content. It's a little green square with an arrow coming out of it. So you're going to hit that, and it's going to ask you what you want to share. Well, you want to share your screen. So you hit screen, and then all of a sudden we'll see whatever it is that I'm looking at on my phone. I'm going to go start broadcast. There we go. Okay, so this is what my phone looks like here, and you're seeing it on the computer screen because that's what's being shared. So then I'm going to hit my center button. I have an iPhone, but you can do this on an Android as well. And then I'm going to hit camera. And now whatever is in front of me is going to appear on the screen. So then what you can do, and this is a little bit tricky because of the orientation of the camera. You want to take a soup can, or in my case, a garbanzo bean can, as your platform, so it raises up your phone a little bit. And then you put your phone down. And then you want to take a second can to put it on top to secure the phone so that it's not wobbly or unstable. And then on my screen now, I can see exactly what's in front of me. So I can go ahead and work, and my students will see what it is that I'm doing. Now, if you want a larger perspective so that you can see the entire page, then what you have to do is the two-can approach. We've got a lot of beans during the quarantine time in my house here. So I'm going to double stack my cans, and that raises my phone up so that I can see the entire page. Okay, so that's it. It's super easy. The kids can then see whatever it is that you're doing. And you can actually have your kids screen share this. It's a little more complicated to walk them through it, but anyone who's on the Zoom call can hit screen sharing, and they can do the same thing on their screen. So you can watch what the students are doing as well. If you want to see them writing, or if they're dictating in sand trays, you can have them construct a similar thing. Again, it's a little more complicated, but maybe you can have them watch this video, and then they can do it themselves. So when you're done, you just go back to the Zoom app, and you can stop the broadcast, and now I'm back to just being a regular participant on the call. So that's it. Hope that you find it as easy as I did, and hope this video helps, and good luck.